Hi, I'm Greg with Precision Replacement Parts. Today we'll be installing our GWL 2130-66, which is a lower tailgate seal for this 1966 to 77 Ford Bronco. Today we'll be showing how to do that on this 1967 first generation Ford Bronco. Let's get started. For the removal of the weather strip, what we're going to do is start by removing the screws that hold the retaining strip. We have a retaining strip, 11 screws, and then the weather strip. Now we'll go ahead and get this area cleaned up to reinstall. We've got the weather strip and the retaining strip here together. The weather strip is a little bit longer than it needs to be. So we're going to dry fit this in place so we can get a measurement. I'm going to put this in the opening, put our retaining strip over the top of it. Make sure it's tight to this end. Everything in place. Just going to give this a little bit of mark. Move that. We'll go ahead and put it back into place. Now we will be installing this into the vehicle. Orientation is the retaining strip does have a rolled area that'll go into the indent in the weather strip. Now the retaining strip is held in with screws. And we'll just start on one end. Let me get everything kind of lined up here. I'm going to just get them started in the holes for now. And we'll come back and snug them up. Before I tighten the screws down, I want to make sure the weather stripping is where it needs to be. Okay, everything looks lined up. I'll go ahead and tighten them up. I am doing this by hand. There's sheet metal that it goes into. If I used a power driver, you may have the chance of stripping out the hole and losing the retention on the sealing strip. Okay, everything's in place. Closes. Good. And you're done.